Hey, good afternoon, guys. This is Peter Newton, owner-operator of Rain Visuals. I wanted to make a quick video today and show you how to properly install some decals on your new plastics. Let's get right to it. All right, guys, I got a radiator shroud here for a Yamaha. Picked a little bit of a harder one just to show you that it's actually not too bad to do. One of the biggest steps in installing graphics, and one of the most important, is prepping the plastic. So we do need to make sure that we need to clean the kind of the glaze off of these. I've already done so. I use mineral spirits. So put some of that on there and then give it a good wipe down, let it dry, and now it's ready for install. So I'm gonna start with the top piece here. You just kind of have to eyeball where you want it. I do install them dry. I apply it dry, don't use any spray or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and pull all of the backing paper off and get right into it. Gonna try to eyeball it here and generally follow the angles of the plastic coming down. Apply some pressure down the center where it's flat, it meets the decal, and then kind of work it over the edges. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to go ahead and start here at the back. I like to use a little microfiber towel. We got a pretty heavy curve going on over here. I'm going to go ahead and pull it up a little bit. And kind of work it towards the tip here. Went down pretty good there. Sometimes if you have some creases, it's not wanting to lay down, you can use the heat gun. Just don't use too high of a temperature. I use like a medium temperature just for a couple seconds to get it a little more flexible, and then go ahead and push it down. These areas like here, these flaps, I am going to heat those up a little bit and start at the ridge and work it towards the bottom. That's going to help it lay down flat without coming up. Now you'll see stuff like this too, like some imperfections in the plastic. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it getting a little bit chalky from cleaning it, because we're going to go ahead and cover all that up. So now we got the bottom piece here. I'm going to start kind of here at the tip. Sometimes it's kind of trial and error. If you don't get it lined up just right, just go ahead and pull it off and try again. I'm going to try to hold up this other side so it doesn't stick while I'm trying to line it up. Something that'll help is kind of visualizing the location of like these bolt holes, so I can kind of use that as a guide. I got it where I want it at the top, and then down here at the bottom, it is outside of the crease for the bolt there, so I'm pretty happy with that. Sometimes you're going to get it better than other times, and if it's really not to your liking, definitely pull it off and try again to line it up. If you use too much heat, you will cause it to leave some wrinkles. I like to work it side to side in a situation like this, working those creases down. And you'll see it's pretty easy. This is not going to peel back up because we've done a good job of properly cleaning it beforehand. Put this on the bike and it's going to look great for a long time. We use a really thick decal. It's a premium material with the air release, so it's very easy to apply. And also, once you do go to put new graphics on in the future, you pull these off, it'll leave minimal residue.
you.